Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English Easily with Anastasia. Today's story is called, My Day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. I open my eyes and smile. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. I stretch my arms and get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Splash splash. Now I comb my hair. I feel fresh and ready. It's breakfast time. I sit at the table with my family. I eat eggs, bread, and drink orange juice. Yum! Breakfast is delicious. I put on my backpack. I walk to school with my friends. We talk and laugh together. The weather is nice today. After school, I go back home. I do my homework. Then I play with my little brother. We have so much fun. In the evening, I take a shower. I eat dinner with my family. Then I read a book. Finally, I go to bed and say, good night. That was my day. What about your day? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Goodbye.